Beli pi barok ki parok ki papei ya gede video ban priang so bhai pi share YouTube channel jonga. Hang ni yo ya i ba Ricky Syngkon i balong i MP jong ka Shillong parliamentary scene. I balang ai jingkren hapoh parliament. Pat kat bai dang ai ya ka jingkren yo ya ka jingthap kti. Hapoh jong parliament. Mat barok ki MP ki balang hapoh jong gede ying ki yang sngap jar. Kat bai Dr. Ricky dang ai ya ka jingkren. Pat hang ni yo ba bun ki briu ha shwa ka MP election ki ba bin bat ki ba keno ya ka VPP ki ba ong ba ka VPP kan le ayu tang marwe bat upra un le ayu una mar ba umdan hagra ka bor ndri hang di ha ka video ngi yo ba Ricky dang kren ya ka de jingkren ndri ba ro ki MP budan hapo jong ka de ying ki dang ai ka jing thap kti ka ba jam ya
honesty, and for the protection of the rights of the indigenous people, and also to uphold the constitution of this great nation, to ensure secularism, pluralism, federalism, that these are the tenets of our great nation prevail. So, King Solomon the Great said these words, that a nation without a vision will perish. Well, I was very delighted to hear the words futuristic, the words vision in the address by the Honorable President. While I was patiently waiting for, what is the future, what is there in the vision of the President's address, as a first-time MP, I was listening patiently to hear where the government will take the nation, how the government will take it. But unfortunately, I did not get much except for the achievement that the government in the past has accomplished. Well, I wish that the government will be more explicit in its endeavor. Mr. Chairman, while mentioning the lasting peace in the Northeast, as is spelled out in the presidential address, I would like to remind the government of the day and also the government of the past, led by the Congress government, that our people, my people, living especially in the border with Assam, in the border with Bangladesh, I tell you, till today, they don't feel safe at all. They feel very threatened. And what is even sad is that the lands have been taken away from them. They've lost their livelihood. Why? Because of the failure of subsequent government to settle this dispute, which has been there for many, many years. We talk about development of the nation. That is dependent on the development of the states. That is what even our Honorable Prime Minister said, these words. Now, how can we talk of development when people till today, till this very moment, are yearning for peace? I therefore urge the government to kindly take up this matter seriously. And I wish and I hope that the Prime Minister himself will take the lead in putting an end to this long pending issue in the interests of our great nation in general and in the interests of my people, especially those living in the border areas. Mr. Chairman, there's a saying that small is beautiful. Well, I am proud to stand here to represent one of the most beautiful people living in the in the eastern part of this great nation called the Khasis, and also coming from one of the most beautiful places on earth. Mr. Chairman, I urge and I call upon the government and also the members of this august House to play a role in enriching and promoting the culture of my people, especially